Another piece of Aynsley Cottage Garden we're going to show you today. This one is the tall fluted stem or flower vase with the square body and round base. Rib moulding here, as you can see, just see the reflection here if I rotate it through the light, that little ribbing that you've got around this base, but it's a square body of a vase and then coming up to this very narrow, almost octagonal shaped rim at the very top. Period Aynsley Cottage Garden marks, a more detailed one, suggesting this is an earlier piece rather than a late production piece, but made in England nonetheless, with both the blue and the orange butterfly on this body decoration. Nicely decorated all the way round, in absolutely mint condition, no condition warnings or notes on this vase at all. Very nice piece. Not in production anymore, one for the collectors of Aynsley Cottage Garden, which there are many of you around the world. Such a pretty pattern, a nice useful little vase. All the details, measurements and everything are on the website. Do check those out on the link below, which will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing for this vase. Do have a browse through on the website. We've got lots of Cottage Garden on catalogue if you're a collector. Some rare shapes and pieces from the earlier production. Thanks for watching.